Guys, my name is Daniel Lopez with Invest in New Finance, and today we are inside my Webull individual stock brokerage account that I have dedicated for this channel so I can show you guys what I'm buying, when I'm selling, and what the account looks like. We have received all the free shares that Webull has given me for opening up the account, for the referral program, and for making my initial deposit. So let's see what is inside the account. First off, right away we see that the net account value is $184. Initially, I put a deposit of $100, and the $84.32 is from all the free shares that Webull gave me. Because if you guys remember from my previous videos, my plan is to invest $5 every day, and I've decided that we are going to turn this account into $1 million. Now, I know that sounds crazy because I'm only going to be depositing $5 every day. Now the question is, how long will that take? We'll calculate that shortly, but first let's take a dive into the account. Here you can see I have Snap and I have a quantity of 1.1, and currently we have unrealized gains of 5.88%, which is great. We have CMEX, I got a share of that. That's pretty cool. And we're up 4.81%. Coca-Cola, I have 0.06377 shares. That's up 0.7%. We have Ford, close to 1 share, 0.9634, up 0.13%. Procter & Gamble, 0.049 share, and we're down 0.38%. Apple, 0.16 share, down 0.18%. Genworth Financial, 1.17 shares, and unrealized loss of minus 2.13. VOO. VOO is the only stock that I am going to be buying at $5 every day, and we're going to figure out how long I'm going to be doing that for. That's down 1.54%. And then we have Gap. We have 1 share, and it is down 7.66%. So this is a portfolio. If you click on the order history, you can see that I've been buying VOO every day. And let's go ahead and up here next to positions, if I go to account details, it shows that I've bought VOO from August 25th to September 1st. And I have a balance of $70 cash. Now, once this gets to around $20, I'm going to be adding more money just so it does not run out. Otherwise, I will be charged a fee for overdrafting the account. So let's go to the account performance. So for the profit loss, I went ahead and selected year to date so we can see how much profit we have for the year or if we have a loss. Right now we have a profit of 84.15%. Now, the reason we have this profit is because they're considering Apple, Ford, Snap, Gap, Procter & Gamble, Genworth Financial, Coca-Cola, and CMEX stocks. They're considering those all positive because I did not pay for them. They were given to me. So that is an automatic gain. And the market value of the account over here, you could see underneath account details, it says market value. Total stock value is $114.32. The cash balance is $70. And that $70 is depleting daily. The $5 is being subtracted from that $70. Now let's see the exciting part. How long will it take us to get to $1 million if we contribute $5 a day? I opened up a compound interest calculator over here on this side. Currently, let's see, we have a market value of $114. So let's go ahead and put that in the current principal. So the annual addition, we said that that was going to be $5 a day times, we figured out that there's 250 trading days on average a year. So the annual addition is going to be, every year we will be contributing to this account $12.50. That's annual addition. So every year $12.50, years to grow. I calculated this beforehand, and it turns out that it will take 45 years to build this account to $1 million. That'll be close to $1 million. That sounds crazy, but this is how compound interest works. Pretend that you are 18 years old. If you're 18 years old and you open up an account and you contribute $5 a day and your rate of return is 10%, at 18 years old plus 45 years, you will be 63 years old. That's if you start at 18 years old. I'm 35. So 35 plus 45, we already know that's 80. I'll be 80 years old when this account reaches $1 million. That's not the point. The point is to see that by investing consistently, your money will grow. I made a video on how much money do you need to get to $1 million in 10 years. Go check that video out if you haven't seen it. Basically, you have to contribute $5,000 every month for 10 years to reach $1 million if you get a rate of return of 10%. And I'll just do it on the calculator real quick. If you start off annual addition, $5,000 times 12, that's $60,000 a year, 10 years, that's $1 million. You see, I'm only depositing $5 a day. If you deposit $5,000 a month or $60,000 a year, you'll have $1 million in 10 years. The point that I'm trying to make is that it doesn't matter what age you are, it's important to invest, because if you don't invest, you won't have money in the future. I'm trying to do $5 a day just to show you guys that by depositing $5 a day and investing $5 a day, you can build up your account. Now, it's very important to understand that obviously the more money you put in, the faster you'll get to $1 million. And that's important because a lot of people on the internet are showing you, hey, I'm making this much money a month. I'm making this much money a year. This is my net worth. These are all the things I'm doing to make a lot of money. Okay, cool. Yes, I get it. You can make a lot of money. What I'm trying to say is, how are you keeping that money so that way it's growing for you? Are you making, $1 million a year, but yet you're spending $500,000 a year, so you're only left with $500,000, and then you're paying all your bills, and then at the end of the year, you spend another $500,000 on all your bills. So then you're making $1 million, but you're spending $1 million. What I'm trying to say is, cool, you guys can make a lot of money on the internet. Great. But do you know how to invest? Do you know how to keep that money in your accounts? Do you know how to make that money work for you? A lot of people go broke because they make a lot of money and then they spend a lot of money. A lot of athletes, a lot of celebrities. What we want to do is have that money invested, so that way if something in the future happens and you can't work and you can't make money, then you already have made your money and it's already in an account and it's already growing for you. I made another video on how to live off $1 million. Go check that video out. It talks about the 4% rule. The 4% rule says you can pull out 4% and that money will last for 30 years, which is pretty cool because let's say you're a basketball player or a football player, or let's say you are into real estate or whatever, you're a TikTok creator, you're making a lot of money and you want that money to be able to last. If you make $1 million, you put that in the stock market, you invest it, and you only withdraw 4% of that every year. It will last for 30 years. I mean, that's pretty awesome because if you get $1 million and you spend it and you start buying things and you buy a house and you buy all this stuff, chances are if you don't know the basic principles of investing, if you don't know how to invest your money, the money is going to go away. It's going to be spent and it's going to disappear because if you do not know how to build your foundation about money, build your foundation about personal finance and taxes and things like that, then anyone can make a lot of money, but knowing how to manage that money is very important. And that's what the point of this account is. The point is to show you guys, hey, look, I'm just depositing simply $5 a day. And by depositing $5 a day, I'm going to grow this account. So the goal for this account is to reach $1 million. Will it take 45 years? I don't think so. I think it'll take a lot less. I think that this account can get to $1 million in, I'm just gonna say 30 years. I don't know, that sounds like a good number. And I'll be 65 years old. So I'd rather get to $1 million a lot quicker. But this is just like going to be the YouTube Webull account that we're going to be going to reference. I still want to open up other brokerage accounts and do the same thing. That way we can see how other brokerage accounts are. This is not on the app. This is the Webull website. This isn't even the Webull desktop. People use that for day trading. I'm not about day trading, and I don't have time to day trade. That's just not my thing. I just would rather do investing for the long term and investing consistently. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Turn on that notification bell. Check out all my other videos. And I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in opening up a Webull account, the link is in the description below. You can get up to from 4 to 12 shares free. And then if you deposit money, you can get more shares. Take a look at that link. And if you're interested, sign up. So far, Webull has given me $84.32 in fractional shares. So that's why the account is up. On the account performance, the account is up 84.15%. And that is because Webull gave me those free shares. So guys, thank you for watching. We're building this account up. Let's continue to invest and save your money, but also enjoy your life, because you want to enjoy your life, you want to be happy, and you just want to learn, because by learning, you grow as a person. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.